The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is an American heavy bomber under development for the United States Air Force, USAF, by Northrop Grumman. As part of the Long Range Strike Bomber, LRSB, program, it will be an advanced, ultra-long-range, large, heavy-payload stealth intercontinental strategic bomber for the USAF, capable of delivering both conventional and thermonuclear weapons. In 2021, these bombers are expected to enter service from 2026 to 2027. This is to complement the existing fleet of Rockwell B-1 Lancer, Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, and Boeing B-52 Stratofortress bombers in United States service, and eventually replace this bomber. At this point, reports say the U.S. has built 6 B-21 Raider bombers in various stages of construction. Although the minimum number of aircraft is 100, the United States Air Force expects to operate between 175 and 200 B-21 Raiders in the years to come. According to the international financial news agency Bloomberg, the U.S. Air Force estimates the bomber program from its development to the acquisition and operation of 100 aircraft in 30 years will cost up to $203 billion in U.S. taxpayer dollars. The cost involved $25.1 billion for the development program, $64 billion for the production phase, and $114 billion to operate all 100 long-range B-21 Raiders and strategic bombers that are in the 30-year life cycle of America's newest asset. The American B-21 Raider bomber is designed in such a way that it is capable of carrying out bombing missions against any target around the world, regardless of location, with the help of its refueling aircraft. Also, the B-21 Raider is designed to be invisible to the most advanced enemy air defense systems.